How to create an emergency fund in 6 months. A step-by-step guide. In today's unpredictable world, having an emergency fund is crucial. It serves as a financial safety net, providing peace of mind and stability during unexpected events such as job loss, medical emergencies, or sudden home repairs. Building an emergency fund might seem daunting, but with a structured approach, you can achieve this goal within 6 months. Here's a comprehensive guide to help you create an emergency fund in just half a year. Understanding the importance of an emergency fund. An emergency fund is a reserve of money set aside to cover unforeseen expenses. Its importance cannot be overstated. Without such a fund, you might have to rely on high-interest credit cards or loans, which can lead to a cycle of debt. Moreover, an emergency fund ensures that your long-term financial goals remain on track even when life throws a curveball. Step 1. Determine your savings goal. The first step in creating an emergency fund is to determine how much money you need to save. Financial experts generally recommend setting aside 3 to 6 months' worth of living expenses. To calculate this amount, follow these steps. List your essential monthly expenses. Include rent or mortgage, utilities, groceries, transportation, insurance, debt payments, and other necessities. Calculate total monthly expenses. Sum up the listed expenses to get a clear picture of your monthly outgoings. Set your savings target. Multiply your total monthly expenses by 3 to 6, depending on your comfort level and job stability. For instance, if your essential monthly expenses total $3,000, your emergency fund goal should be between $9,000 and $18,000. Step 2. Analyze your current financial situation. Before you start saving, it's crucial to understand where you stand financially. Zinvols, assessing income and expenses. Track your income and expenditures for a month to see where your money goes. Use budgeting apps or a simple spreadsheet for accuracy. Identifying non-essential spending. Highlight areas where you can cut back, such as dining out, subscriptions, and impulse purchases. Reviewing existing savings. Check if you have any savings or investments that can contribute to your emergency fund. Step 3. Create a realistic budget. With a clear understanding of your finances, it's time to create a budget. This budget should prioritize savings while covering essential expenses. Here's how to do it. Set a monthly savings goal. Divide your total emergency fund. Target by 6 to determine how much you need to save each month. For example, if your goal is 1,200, you should aim to save $2,000 per month. Allocate income. Assign a portion of your income to essential expenses, discretionary spending, and your emergency fund. Stick to the 50-30-20 rule. 50% for needs, 30% for wants, and 20% for savings and debt repayment. Adjust as necessary. If saving 20% is unrealistic, adjust your budget to cut more from discretionary spending and allocate it to savings. Step 4. Open a dedicated savings account. To keep your emergency fund separate from your everyday spending, open a dedicated high-yield savings account. This not only helps in avoiding temptation, but also earns you interest. When choosing an account, look for high interest rates. Compare different banks to find an account with the highest interest rate and low fees. Ensure easy accessibility. While the money should be readily available during emergencies, it shouldn't be too accessible to avoid impulsive withdrawals. Set up automatic transfers. Automate monthly transfers from your checking account to your emergency fund to ensure consistent savings. Step 5. Increase your income. Boosting your income can significantly accelerate your savings. Consider the following strategies. Take in a side hustle. Utilize your skills and hobbies to earn extra money. Freelancing, tutoring, or selling handmade goods can provide a substantial income boost. Work overtime. If your job offers overtime pay, take advantage of it to increase your earnings. Sell unused items, declutter your home, and sell items you no longer need. Platforms like eBay, Craigslist, and Facebook Marketplace can help you turn clutter into cash. Step 6. Cut down on expenses. Reducing expenses is key to freeing up more money for your emergency fund. Here are some effective cost-cutting measures. Cook at home. Eating out frequently can drain your finances. Plan meals and cook at home to save money. Cancel unnecessary subscriptions. Review your subscriptions and cancel those you rarely use, such as streaming services, gym memberships, or magazine subscriptions. Shop smart. Use coupons, buy in bulk, and take advantage of sales to reduce grocery bills. Additionally, consider generic brands, which are often cheaper than name brands. Reduce utility costs. Implement energy-saving measures like using LED bulbs, unplugging electronics when not in use, and adjusting your thermostat to lower heating and cooling costs. Limit entertainment spending. For free or low-cost entertainment options, such as hiking, reading, or hosting a movie night at home instead of going out. Step 7. Track your progress. Regularly monitoring your progress is crucial to staying on track and motivated. Here's how to keep tabs on your savings. Use budgeting apps. For tools like Mint, YNAB, you need a budget, or Personal Capital can help you track your income, expenses, and savings automatically. Set milestones. Break your 6-month goal into smaller milestones and celebrate when you reach them. For example, if your goal is $12,000, celebrate every time you save an additional $2,000. Review monthly. At the end of each month, review your budget and savings to ensure you're on track. Adjust your spending and saving strategies if necessary.